We all crack our knuckles. While some of us do it occasionally, others do it more frequently and it becomes a habit. So what is it and why do we even do it? Cracking of a knuckle is basically bursting of the bubbles which are present within what is called the synovial fluid of your joints, and when they burst, a pop sound is heard. This popping gives a sensation of relaxation within the joint, but medically there is no proven benefit. It's just a more psychological thing that people do. On the flip side, does it lead to any harm or joint damage or arthritis? No, it doesn't lead to any of these things. Only negative thing is it can lead to slight weakness of the muscles around your joint. But all in all, it's a good habit to just get rid of, because even if it doesn't do any major harm, it can get a little annoying for the people around you.